You don't need to show your face to make six figures on YouTube in 2025. While you see influencers building massive personal brands, a silent revolution is happening in the background. Channels are pulling in millions of views and tens of thousands of dollars a month with nothing but a compelling voiceover, stock footage, and smart automation. Think about channels covering finance with simple animations, AI-generated stories that go viral overnight, or even 10-hour videos of rain sounds that rack up a fortune in ad revenue. It sounds almost too good to be true, but it's one of the most accessible opportunities on the internet right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which faceless YouTube niches are working right now and how you can start today. So, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? Simply put, it's a channel where the creator never appears on camera. The content is the star, not the person. The videos are typically created using a combination of voiceovers, stock footage, screen recordings, animations, and text on screen. This trend is absolutely exploding in 2025 for a few key reasons. First, the rise of powerful AI tools has made content creation faster and cheaper than ever. AI can help write scripts, generate realistic voiceovers, and even create unique images or video clips from a simple text prompt. Second, the creator economy has matured. People understand the power of outsourcing and building systems. You don't have to be the one doing everything. I've spent the last year deep in the trenches, analyzing the channels that are quietly dominating the platform, reverse engineering their strategies to figure out what's actually working, not just what sounds good in theory. And today, I'm sharing that research with you. Before we dive into the specific niches, you need to understand why this model is so powerful. The benefits go far beyond just being shy. The first is scalability. When your face isn't tied to the brand, you can hire a team of script writers, voice actors, and video editors to create content for you. You build a system, a content machine. Once you perfect the process for one channel, you can replicate it and launch a second, a third, or even a 10th channel in different niches. The second benefit is the incredibly low barrier to entry. You don't need a fancy camera, expensive lighting, or a perfect studio background. You don't have to worry about how you look or sound on a particular day. This removes the personal branding pressure and lets you focus purely on creating valuable content. Finally, the monetization potential is immense. These channels earn through YouTube ad revenue, but they also excel with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling their own digital products. Because the content is often information-based, it's easy to naturally recommend products and services that your audience genuinely needs, leading to a highly profitable business model. This is how you can truly make money on YouTube without ever hitting the record button on a camera. Niche number 1 is AI storytelling and animation. This is one of the newest and most exciting faceless YouTube niches on the platform. Using a suite of AI tools, creators are generating completely unique short stories, fables, and fictional scenarios, and then bringing them to life with AI-generated animation or imagery. The workflow is streamlined. An AI helps brainstorm a plot, another tool writes the script, a text-to-speech voiceover reads it, and an image or video generator creates the visuals. The result is a captivating, visually unique video that can be produced in a fraction of the time it would take a traditional animator. The audience for this is huge. It's anyone scrolling on their phone looking for a quick, entertaining, and imaginative escape. These stories can be about anything from a futuristic sci-fi epic to a heartwarming tale about a lost dog. The viral potential is off the charts because each video is a self-contained piece of entertainment that's highly shareable. Niche number 2 is a classic that will never die: finance and money tips. The reason this niche is evergreen is simple. Money will always be a top search query. People will always want to know how to make more of it, save it, invest it, and understand it. This topic works perfectly with a faceless format. You can use a calm, authoritative voiceover paired with stock footage of currency, charts, graphs, and simple text animations to explain complex topics like investing in index funds, creating a budget, starting a side hustle, or analyzing market trends. The key here is providing clear, actionable value. A massive advantage of the finance niche is its high CPM or cost per meal. Advertisers are willing to pay a premium to show their ads on videos about finance, investing, and insurance. This means you earn significantly more money per 1,000 views compared to other niches like entertainment or gaming. Niche number 3 offers a completely different, more passive approach: relaxation and ambient channels. Think about videos featuring 10 hours of gentle rain sounds, a crackling fireplace, calming instrumental music, or serene nature scenes. These channels tap into a fundamental human need for peace and focus. The business model is built on long-form content and high watch time. People don't just watch these videos for a few minutes. They play them in the background for hours while they sleep, study, work, or meditate. This astronomical watch time is exactly what the YouTube algorithm loves, and it leads to a steady stream of passive ad revenue. Once a video is uploaded, it can continue to generate income for years with zero additional effort. Viewers often return to the same video again and again, creating a loyal and predictable audience base. Niche number 4 is educational explainers. Curiosity is a powerful driver of viewership. Channels in this niche break down complex subjects in history, science, geography, psychology, and technology into easily digestible, engaging videos. They answer questions the audience might have, like, how do black holes work? Or what was the real story of the Trojan War? This format is a perfect fit for faceless production. You can use a combination of stock footage, historical images, maps, diagrams, and slick animations to illustrate your points. The target audience is incredibly broad, ranging from students looking for help with homework to lifelong learners who simply want to understand the world better. These are some of the most respected faceless YouTube niches because they provide genuine value, build authority, and attract a smart, engaged audience that advertisers love. Niche number 5 is travel and lifestyle compilations. This isn't your typical travel vlog where a creator documents their own trip. Instead, these faceless channels create highly viral compilation-style videos. Think titles like Top 10 Most Beautiful Places in Italy, What $50 Gets You in Vietnam, or The 5 Best Countries for Digital Nomads. The content is created by curating high-quality stock footage, drone shots, and user-submitted clips, then packaging it with an informative voiceover. These videos have massive appeal on both long-form and YouTube Shorts. The monetization strategy here is exceptionally strong with affiliate marketing. In your description, you can link to flight booking websites, hotel chains, travel insurance, tour companies, and travel gear on Amazon, earning a commission on every sale generated through your links. Now, if you're serious about starting a faceless YouTube channel and want to skip the years of painful trial and error, let me show you something that can put you on the fast track. It's a system designed to build a profitable YouTube business without you ever having to create a single video yourself. It's called Tube Accelerator, created by a master of this space, Matt Parr. Inside, you'll discover how he makes over $100,000 per month on YouTube without creating a single video. This isn't about theory, it's about a proven step-by-step process for building multiple income streams on the platform in 2025. If the idea of profiting from the niches we just discussed excites you, then this is the next logical step. Click the button below to uncover a new way to build a real, sustainable business on YouTube with no video creation required. But wait, before we wrap up, let's keep the value coming. To maximize your watch time, here are 3 quickfire bonus faceless niches that are absolutely exploding right now. First, gaming compilations. These aren't live streams. They are edited videos of funny moments, epic wins, or major fails from popular video games. Second, AI-generated motivational content. This involves pairing powerful AI-generated speeches or quotes with epic cinematic stock footage of nature or people achieving their goals. It's highly shareable and resonates deeply with a broad audience. And third, meme and viral trend channels. These channels act as curators of internet culture, compiling the best and funniest memes or video trends of the week into a single binge-worthy video. So let's recap. The faceless YouTube model is scalable, profitable, and future-proof. It lowers the barrier to entry and allows you to build a true media asset without ever needing to be in the spotlight. We've covered AI storytelling, finance, relaxation, educational explainers, and travel compilations. The single biggest mistake you can make now is getting stuck in analysis paralysis. Pick one niche from this video that genuinely interests you and get started today. Your first video won't be perfect, but momentum is everything. If you got value from this breakdown, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into faceless YouTube strategies. And don't forget to check out Tube Accelerator using the link in the description to see the system for building this business without creating the videos yourself. Finally, drop a comment below and let me know which niche are you going to start with. Are you going to